In today's video, I am going to teach you how to organize content with Meta Business Suite Planner. Once you are already logged into Meta Business Suite, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Planner. This will open the content calendar where you can manage and review your posts in one place. Give the page a moment to load fully so the calendar and all scheduled items appear correctly. After the planner opens, take a moment to review the content shown on the calendar. You will be able to see both scheduled posts and content that has already been published. This makes it easier to understand what is coming up and what has already gone live across your account. If needed, change the calendar view to match the way you want to organize your content. Meta Business Suite Planner usually offers different viewing options, such as day, week, and month. Switch between these views to get a closer look at individual posts or a broader overview of your full content schedule. To check the details of a scheduled post, click on that post directly from the calendar. This will open more information about the content, including its planned publishing date and time. If you need to make any changes, update the scheduled date, adjust the posting time, or edit the content itself. Once your changes are complete, save the updates so the calendar reflects the latest version of the post. If you want to add something new, click Create Post. From there, enter the content you want to publish and choose the correct publishing date and time. Scheduling posts in advance helps keep your content plan organized and consistent. After setting everything up, confirm the schedule so the new post is added to your calendar. When you return to the planner, review the calendar again to make sure all of your scheduled content appears in the right place. This final check helps you confirm that your posts are properly organized and that there are no gaps or overlaps in your schedule. Continue using the planner regularly to update your calendar, review upcoming content, and make changes whenever needed. Keeping your content organized in Meta Business Suite makes it easier to stay on track with your publishing plan and manage everything from one central location. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.